apart before your very eyes. I'll show you a bit more of that tomorrow maybe. But we're spending our first night in the house. How exciting. We've got a little bit of kitchen, which is doing the job. The husband is cooking some baked potatoes with coleslaw and cheese on top, which will be delicious. And how sweet, he set the table, look, and we've got candles. Oh, isn't he gorgeous? So look, dinner for two with a candle, and you just try and imagine the ambience when this is all, well, you know, finished, and we don't have a wheelbarrow in our living room. It will be gorgeous. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? It's lovely. So today, what did we do today? Oh, sorry, I'm spinning you around. Today we took up the kitchen floor and took out the dishwasher, which is there now. That's going on Trade Me for $1, like we're selling everything. And in here now we have taken, this is the little bedroom, it's going to be my sewing room and laundry pantry. You can see we've taken out that unit now, so, and all the underlay is piled up, waiting to find a new home, but we don't want to put it outside because it will get all wet and soggy. But you can see the difference. I'll move back a bit, Charlie, so you can see the window. You can see the difference without the pine tree. So we have also decided that one of the things we can really do, and probably do over Christmas, is paint the fence, because it's a really nasty green colour. They painted it to sell, obviously, painted a yucky green colour, and we need to paint the shed because I don't like the colour of that either. And that shed is going to go in that corner and be a bike shed, because the entrance gate will actually be just behind that very pruned fig at the moment, but it has a few leaves and it has some buds on it, so I think that will come back, and we've heard that they're very hardy, so that's good. But I had to cut it back for the men that came in to do the trees, because they were very large trees and they just, it was devastation getting them out. So that's our remaining kitchen, and yes, we're all cozy as a bug in a rug. How exciting! First night in our new home. Yeah, well, you know, temporarily. We shall go back to the apartment tomorrow.